Last week we worked on some welfare reform bills. And here, you know, it's kind of ironic. I'll read you this little funny clip that we got from a friend. And it says, "Isn't it ironic that the food stamp program, part of the Department of Agriculture, is pleased to be distributing the greatest amount of food stamps ever? Meanwhile, the Park Service, also part of the Department of Agriculture, asks us to please not feed the animals because the animals may grow dependent and not learn to take care of themselves.